I will begin by saying that we, at robotreporters.com, hope that technology will only be used for peaceful purposes. KUB-BLA, the suicide drone from Kalashnikov Group, designed to target enemy radar sites. The maker of the iconic AK-47 rifles revealed the propeller-driven drone at the IDEX 2019 trade show in Abu Dhabi. The 4-feet-long drone has a 30-minute endurance at a speed of 80 miles per hour. The advantages of the system are hidden launch, high accuracy of the shot, noiselessness and ease of handling. According to Kalashnikov Group, KUB-BLA in essence is a small, slow and presumably inexpensive cruise missile.